Got this Bostitch stapler here, heavy duty staple gun. And then to load this thing up, there's a lever right back here. And that pulls that out, and the staples go right down in here. And I'm just using these 9/16. They're all gonna be the same size across this way. That 9/16 is gonna go this way. So that's kind of how deep you want your, whatever you're gonna staple to. So it just depends on what kind of work you're doing. Just slap them in here like that. That too. And just take it, slide this right back into place. Right in the middle. You shouldn't hit the wire. Just about like that. We'll go ahead and that way you can kind of secure it. Works really good for paper. See how it does for fencing. Perfect.